Since Michael Faraday, a British physicist and chemist, turned around to close the coil in the magnetic field in 1831, we have started our exploration towards the eternal energy and the ultimate pursuit of power field. As a dream chaser of power energy, CHANGGAO Electric Group Company Limited has been committed to developing the power energy in the ever-changing China for 20 years and becoming an outstanding participator and leader in the industry. From the intelligent manufacturing of power equipment to the general contractor of power energy engineering, from the R&D and application of power transmission and transformation technology to integrated in development of renewable energy projects, CHANGGAO Group is one of the pioneers to achieve the integration of the upstream and downstream industry chain. From China to the Asian Pacific region, from Europe and America to other regions all over the world, CHANGGAO keeps pursuing innovation. The group has become a trustworthy global power energy industry-wide integrating supplier of more than 30 countries and regions. We are committed to improving quality. Precision manufacturing results from the perseverance for quality and excellence stems from the self-breakthrough. As one of the earliest and largest manufacturers of China's power equipment, CHANGGAO Group has been staying true to its mission and insisting on providing the first-class power equipment for the world. Grinding a chopper will not hold up the work of cutting firewood. In order to achieve modern intelligent manufacturing, the group introduced more than 300 sets of world-leading equipment, which has become a significant engine and a powerful support for the operating of the power equipment manufacturing industry of the group. To accelerate the pace of integrating the intelligent and industrial upgrading of the manufacturing platform, the group has successfully built up the direct numerical control machine network system, the international standard 100,000 grade purification workshop, 1 million grade CO purification and production line, and high-voltage switch simulation station, and thus realize the intelligent manufacturing of the core products with a monthly production capacity of 2,000 sets. Innovation propels the development. The group established a national recognized Enterprise Technology Center, Engineering Technology Research Center, and 6 technical laboratories. Through PDM, ERP, MES, and MQS, a whole process information-based system from product development and design to service and collaboration management platform have been built to ensure the integration of development, manufacture, and test of products. In addition, the group has obtained hundreds of inventions and innovation patents. In light of quality management, the group has built the barcode traceability system, the digital remote services, and the real-time monitoring network, forming a set of rigorous quality management system and a perfect service system. China's first 1,100 kV UHV AC test demonstration project, the world's first ±800 kV UHV DC transmission project, the world's first ±660 kV DC transmission project, outward sending of Xinjiang electricity, and west-to-east power transmission and other national key projects are glories for the equipments of CHANGGAO. Whole process solutions and one-stop services. One-stop services are the key to success in the interconnection sharing age. Guided by the National Industrial Development Strategy, the group integrates industrial resources and designs upstream and downstream industries in an active manner. CHANGGAO Group Huawang Electric Power Design Institute, a subsidiary of the group, possesses a series of national qualifications such as Grade A Certificate of Design in Electric Power Industry. It manages to develop as a traditional parting contract for electric works into one-stop integrated service with EPC general contract for electric works as the core. Based on the consultation, planning and design innovation, and supported by investment and financing. The system provides the services in all links of the power engineering in the whole project lifecycle for the project construction management. So far, the group has completed thousands of project design and integration general contracting projects, which has become one of the most competitive core businesses of CHANGGAO Group. We stand at the forefront of the future, keeping abreast of the times, may always maintain its vigor and vitality. With adjustments of international energy supply and demand pattern, the international reform of traditional and renewable energies is happening. Wind power generation, photovoltaic power generation, biomass power generation, and other green and environment-friendly new electricity are being widely used, depending on the advantages of equipment integration, manufacturing, and a project general contractor. The group provides the industry-leading one-stop solution for renewable energies in line with the local conditions. To this end, we gathered a large number of talents in the photovoltaic and wind power industry. With an annual installed capacity of 800 megawatts of new energy power system investment, construction, and operation, promote the formation of the closed-loop of renewable energy industry chain, and the coverage of a variety of power generations forms through scientific and technological innovation. With a large centralized ground photovoltaic power plant, enterprise roof distributed PV, household distributed photovoltaic power plant, wind power station.
又不用我们出钱，给楼顶上安装了这个，我们有一定的收入每月，提高了我们的生活水平。我们周先生给CHANGGAO集团点个赞。
CHANGGAO's renewable energy power generation totaled 286.7 megawatts in 2016, and the annual energy production approximately 377 million kilowatt-hour. Total investment reaches 2 billion RMB. Meanwhile, in the application of the renewable energy, we use the green color to redefine our life. By the overall layout of the new energy vehicles, new energy charging pile, and other emerging industries, we will step into the forefront of industry. We take advantage of the Belt and Road Initiative. The Belt and Road Initiative shortens the distance between China and the world and bridges the dream-building space of the dream of CHANGGAO and the Chinese dream. CHANGGAO, rooted in China, is reaching out to the world. CHANGGAO's international projects are extending from Vietnam, Philippines, and Nigeria to the world, leading CHANGGAO to contribute its wisdom and strength for the construction of the global energy ecology. Interconnection, globalization are always accompanied with competitions and opportunities, continuing from the past and opening up the future. CHANGGAO will further improve the layout of the industrial chain. On the basis of the financing capacity of listed companies, the group has set up the power project financing platform through multiple channels jointly with a number of financial institutions, and is comprehensively promoting the construction of the electricity trading market by seizing the opportunity of the national power transformation. Green technology and industrial ecology are connected with global energy interconnection. In order to become an industry-wide integration supplier of the power energy, CHANGGAO's employees will diligently explore unlimited potential of ourselves. The unlimited potential of the development of renewable energy and the unlimited potential of development of global energy interconnection.